something for you. Show me what it do. Then I express something for you. It's true. Girl, you know. Fine girl, fine girl, fine girl.
Wheels Rodeo Drive, Bel Air, Melrose Place. We do a 25-mile radius. Yeah, out here in Hollywood, at night it's a little more hopping. Yeah. You have a little better time. You know, there's clubs and stuff out here at night. But in the daytime, you know, you really want to do the tour. We show you all the practical stuff as well, like Cafe L Inc., Cantor's Deli, where Led Zeppelin used to hang out at. Millions of milkshakes named after all the stars, as well as Pink's Hot Dogs, too. And then they show you like the A-lister clubs as well, like Ivy and Trapped, where all the A-listers hang out on the patios. Good spottings on set.
Oh, you don't know how to drive that thing correctly?
Well, we're moving.
Everybody, welcome to Hollywood. My name is Alana.
Hey, Alana.
I'm going to be your tour guide. So you guys, I'm just going to show you this side of the boulevard to start off with. And then after that, we'll get a picture with the Hollywood sign.
Great.
The whole walk of fame is about 3 miles long. I don't know if you guys have walked down this way, but I'm going to show you this end so you don't have to if you have not. And then at the very end of the tour, I'm going to come back up the opposite end and show you like the Chinese Theater, the Dolby Theater, where we started just about 2 blocks away. Are you guys just on a little vacation or what?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool.
Birthday is Monday.
What? Scorpio?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ew.
My husband's a Scorpio too.
He's a good man, I know.
Crazy.
I know.
Do you guys want to sing happy birthday?
Oh no.
Yeah, come on. It'll be a good snapshot. I want to be the only one singing because I have a terrible voice. So
it sounds lovely.
We're not singing though. Okay, so we're gonna sing happy birthday to Ebony, okay guys?
Yeah. All right.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ebony. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
It's the W Hotel. In front of the W is where you're going to find a lot of the newer stars like Adam Sandler, Ellen DeGeneres, Jennifer Lopez, Shakira.
Oh, Shake Shake!
And you guys, the Walk of Fame goes until the street Gower. After that, the stars on the sidewalk stop. And there's also a really good restaurant down the street Gower. If you guys, I don't know if you've heard of Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles.
Yes, we just went yesterday.
Did you like it?
Loved it.
So good, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, so very popular, guys. If you get a chance to try it, really good food. On the right, that church is a Godfather film location. And you guys can kind of, I'm just gonna go to this little residential street and take a quick picture with the sign. I wanted to show you guys the Capitol Records building right here.
Yeah.
It was built in 1954 to look like a stack of records. That top thing at the top that has a steeple, at nighttime it blinks Hollywood and Morse code. And in front of it is where you're going to find all the stars that are associated with on it. It said Hollywood and then land. The sign wasn't built to last. In 1945, the land part of the sign started to fall down, so they took it down completely. In 1978, the rest of the sign was in pretty bad shape. They wanted to take it down, but didn't have the money to replace it. So Hugh Hefner came up with an idea to save the sign. He held a fundraising auction to auction off each letter of the sign. Different people paid different amounts for each letter. He ended up paying $27,000 for the Y. He's part of the reason we still have the Hollywood sign today.
Oh wow.
So way to go, Hugh, right?
Rest in peace.
Alright guys, I want to get around this little corner here. You are going to see the sign on the side of the mountain. If you guys want to get a quick picture, I'm going to just pull over. You guys can get a shot. We're going to eventually go all the way to like the $100 million price range though. I know, right? I feel like they should give me $1 million.
Something. That would be nothing to them.
Yeah.
Right. That's the life change.
Right. Life changer for me.
Right. Yeah, right. I can do some things with that. Make something shake. Make something shake and bake, baby.
Oh, okay, guys, get your cameras ready. This is a good shot on the left. This is the downtown view I was telling you about. That's downtown Los Angeles.
Wow, that is gorgeous. Look how big it is.
It's huge out. Up here all the time.
Yes.
Bieber does.
That's why probably why they cars parked over here. Probably hiking. Who is that? Where? Are you famous?
Cool little hike.
Are you famous? Let me know. You got some money? You need a wife? It's later away. I'm just trying to get down to business. I really ain't trying to leave.
You guys look to the left here. This is why they call them the Hollywood Hills. Because these houses are just built right on the hills. So, in the film, and then if you guys kind of look down to the right, you'll have like a view of the city, and it kind of shows you like how high up we are. We are all the way up in the hill.
Very
down
scary.
here, it's pretty. Alright, and the next one we're going to see belongs to Bruno Mars.
Okay, yes.
When you guys see the house, though, it's not like the most impressive looking house. It looks small, and all you can really see is the black gate. We got a certified letter in the mail saying he'll sue us if we stop. So we just can only creep by slowly.
It's on the left or right?
It's going to be on the right. You guys will see like a no stopping anytime sign. And then all you're really going to see is the black gate, so it's not like super exciting, but you guys see the sign right here? So right after this, Bruno originally bought this house for $3.5 million. He's now in the process of selling it for $3.2. Do you guys like Bruno?
Yeah, I love him.
Want to know why he wanted to move so bad?
Why?
Because he hates the tour buses. Rich people problems, right?
Right. We can't help that you famous,
Yeah.
and we like you.
Well, and we're the reason he's famous too.
Thanks. So they building a new house right here. That's gonna be nice. Yes.
On the street. In the first Fast and the Furious.
Look at it doing that.
And if you guys like see how crazy and windy these roads are, just picture them racing side by side down the street.
Right.
Pretty crazy street to race down, right?
There.
These motorcycles are making me super nervous. I'm gonna let them pass me.
Honey, now if you fall off the side of this cliff, don't say nothing. Nobody told you to go that fast. You gotta go that fast.
These motorcycles are crazy. Like they just made it a law that they're allowed to ride in like the middle lane.
Oh,
like, so they
wow.
could just go right in between you, and you're supposed to like make way for them. So
You
I
gotta
always
make-
just try and look. My husband has a Harley, so I always try and make room for them. Just because I hope people make room for him, you know.
Yeah. Understandable.
If you guys look down the left, this is called Laurel Canyon Park. It's we call it the Celebrity Dog Park. This is where a lot of the celebrities bring their dogs to walk them. And if they don't bring them themselves, they pay dog walkers. If you guys look down to the left, it's mostly just dirt, but the dogs like it. Yeah, a lot of dogs there. I'm gonna pull over if you guys want to get a quick picture. So Whitney Houston lived here before she died. The first White House you're gonna see, that one belongs to Gwen Stefani.
Yes.
I did too.
It's bananas.
If you guys are into wrestling, Vince McMahon lives here.
Oh, I heard of him.
Hold on, let me try and get you guys a picture. I have a lot of cars behind me. And if you, so Vince McMahon, and then if you guys look and count like 3 houses down, the one with like the orangish rooftop, that's a former Britney Spears home.
Oh.
Here, if you guys want a quick picture. And I have a funny story to tell you about Britney in a second. I'll show you the front of the Summit in a second.
Right. We were just watching Titanic.
Let us get some beer!
Hey!
We're gonna see Leonardo DiCaprio's house. It's gonna be on the left, and it's the house with the 10 chimneys and a huge swimming pool. Look, you guys, I just want to show you. I'm gonna, show you the house, but I have a lot of cars behind me, so let me get you a better shot in a second. You guys see the gray one with the pool in the front?
Yeah.
And then if you guys look directly behind it, the one with the orangish rooftop, that
Shut
one's
up!
Tyler Perry's California house.
Oh.
Let me just pull over and let these cars pass, and then I'll get you a good shot.
You see? Was that rude?
Rude.
Nasty. Get on out the way.
And then you guys remember the summit? This is the front entrance. This is where those celebrities live. And if you guys remember a while ago, Britney Spears went crazy and she shaved her head.
Yeah.
Well, she was outside here and she hit a paparazzi over the head with an umbrella. They sat her down on the curb, arrested her, and took her to the crazy house from here.
Oh, wow.
All right, quick picture of Leo's house, and if you guys can try and get Tyler Perry's in the background.
Tyler Perry lives here too?
It's just, yeah, he lives full-time in Atlanta, but when he comes to Los Angeles, this is his house. So the gray one, Leonardo DiCaprio's, and the one to the right of it with the orangish rooftop is Tyler Perry's.
Wow.
And I know Leo's is 13.5 million.
Oh my god.
Got it.
All right.
Oh no! How did they build that? Like,
Crazy, huh?
Very.
I wonder how they built. How they built them?
Do we have any Justin Bieber fans?
No, not really. Okay, we got one. We're gonna let her live.
So huge party house. I've seen kids just skateboard right through the living room before. He is out of town a lot, and when he's out of town, they film other stuff here. They recently did like a Pixar movie and a music video. When he is in town, we always know because there'll be a bunch of nice cars in the driveway. And he lives down this side street, and the neighbors don't really like it when we come up here, so we're gonna be kind of quick about it. If you guys want to see a picture of Beeb's house, this is his $14 million rental home. Glass house.
That is nice.
What do you guys think?
Jesus, fix it.
Pretty impressive house for a 23-year-old, right?
What? I'm still in my mama's living room.
If you guys want a picture on the right here, get a quick picture. He married, okay, so first of all, they were only dating a month. All right, so we're, next one we're gonna see belongs to Sylvester Stallone.
Hey, that's
Rocky Balboa, Rambo. If you guys wanna see it, it's a castle house on the hill, on the right.
oh
See it up there?
wow. Right there. Oh.
What if he's down here just hanging out?
Right. That was
House right here. And if you guys want to get a quick picture, this is where you can get a good shot and you can see his little Rolls Royce in his driveway. He actually is living full time in the UK, but when he comes to Los Angeles, this is where he stays.
Someone is there. George, where are you?
So you said this was
Was that who was scaring the child?
You know, a lot of people ask that. It looks very similar, but that was in France.
a squat girl. You gotta work.
On the left, there's this hotel coming up, and it has like the red and green. This is the Beverly Wilshire. It's the most expensive hotel in Beverly Hills. If you guys remember Pretty Woman, this is where Richard Gere stayed. Look at like the cars parked out front of it. Look at Rolls Royce, Mercedes.
Stupid. Gonna get in a whole accident because you want to speed.
If you want to get your cameras out, this is Rodeo Drive. This is some of the most expensive shopping in the world. They filmed hundreds of movies here. It's expensive clothing store in the world. If you want to get a pair of socks from there, it'd be $600.
I know you slide.
I know you fucking lying.
1, 2, 3. There's the Gold Man. This is where like the street performers are. Hey, if you guys, when you do walk down this way, sometimes a lot of people will try and like hand you a CD and make you give them money. Don't do it. Yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you had a good time on the tour.
Yeah, it was
keep in
awesome.
mind, tour drivers.